But guys, this is HAMFX. So today I want to analyze gold. I personally trade gold. So today I want to make analysis on gold, and we see how price will move. So I'll be deleting everything. And I start afresh. So starting from the daily, as usual, you mark out the previous day's high and previous day's low. So today I want to take a trade, but first I want to analyze the market. It's a Friday, but I want to make analysis first, then we see the results. Some people, they say that backtesting is easy, but on the real chart, things are different. Yes, are different, because when you are analyzing or backtesting the market, you are already seeing the future. So you already saw the future and you know what exactly the price did. So at first, you can see market is on the daily resistance, which a clear symbol for sellers. So here I had first touch, second touch, third touch, then fourth touch, which is already indicating that sellers are already in the market. So another thing, we do have this trend line, which is also showing you that price is willing to break it. If it breaks downwards, we're expecting a retest then to drop. So if it doesn't break below, it will test this trend line, then goes back, break this resistance, retest, then we go up. So that's what we are already expecting on the daily. Yes, so I'll be deleting these things because they are not so necessary, but they can show you that price is 85% dropping. 85%. So we have marked our Thursday's high and low, heading to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, what can we see? On the 4 hour, we already have this bearish favor gap right here, which price has retested. This bearish favor gap right here. I had to take my trade during this for our bearish favor gap, but I wasn't awake by the time. So that is another confirmation showing me that price is dropping. So apart from that, what do we have again? We shall mark out this resistance, for our resistance. We have some key points like this point where we can expect a shoulder, a pattern form like head and shoulder. If market comes here and goes back up, so we do expect price, if price comes back to this level, to form a shoulder, forming a shoulder, head, and then shoulder. So we look for the key points where market could reverse from. So apart from that, we shall mark this zone. Someone would ask me why that zone. So why that zone? The reason is, here it was a support, becoming a resistance, also here a support. You can see a fake out, break, then come back, close inside. So which forms it a good zone to mark. So another zone which we could mark, let me see, we do have right here, it was a support, then price reacted on it, then broke it. It was support, price reacted it, then broke it. So expecting it to be a good zone to mark. So any other zone, if price drops, also this, we could mark out that zone. working as a support zone. Also we have that. So those are the zones where I could expect price to come back to. So heading to the 1 hour. So we are already on the 1 hour. So I'll be, yeah, now you can see the 4 hour zone. That 4 hour zone that we marked, you can see it's a value. See, resistance, even in 1 hour it's being respected, you know. I'm out per time also. So we had here a trend line. We shall mark, I'll have this trend line which was broken, indicating that price is still dropping. So it shows you that market is still dropping. So try heading the M15. I was off for some time then because I had to catch a trade, but it stopped me out, then it's now dropping. So on the M15, we mark out this zone, which was acting as support, which was acting as a resistance, then support. So forming a descending triangle right here. Price broke and retested. So if you want to see the retest, you can go to the M5. You see price broke, then retested. Price broke right here, retested, giving us engulfing candle for good sale. So I was waiting for this trade, but it happened during the night. So I didn't catch it. I woke up when price was ranging in this zone. So I was taking a sell, but price came, stopped me out, and it's now playing out. Why I took a sell? The reason why I took a sell is I had this resistance, and I was waiting for price come back here, retest, then to drop. So here I was forming a support, so it was forming a bullish flag. So I was waiting for price to come back here to retest, because it retested on the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, you see here it retested, giving us pin back candles. So I took a sell right here, it came back, stopped me out, then it's now dropping. So that's price. So that was a loss, a morning loss. Then we are waiting for a recovery. For recovery. So if I would have extended my stop loss like above right here, I would have been in profit. So price took me out. I can show you on my MT5. So you can see on my MT5, price stopped me out. After stopping me out, then it's now dropping. You see, it's now dropping. After stopping me out, taking me out, then it's dropping. So that's trading. We just chill, you know, just chill. So let me wait for the next opportunity in the market, then so as I can use it. Yeah. So let's just wait for the next opportunity in the market. So but we already knew that price is going to drop, starting from the daily 4H 1 hour and M15, M5. Everything is showing that price is dropping. Price is what? Price is dropping. So that's how easy to analyze gold. It's not complicated, but just look for the price patterns. So took me out from here, then it's now dropping. So you can see trading is just simple. Just my stop loss was tight because I was risking. I wanted 1 to 3. You can see, but just did so. So if it was here, somewhere here, it would have been a 1 to 2, I would have been in profits. But let's wait for the next opportunity. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this. Been HAMFX. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, bye bye.